How to manage call history in Google Meet. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, simply open the Google Meet app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Google Meet account. Once inside the Google Meet, tap on the three dashboard option available at the top right corner of your screen. Then from there, tap on the settings option available there. Once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the calling history option available there. Once you tap on the calling history, you'll be navigated to your call settings. Here, tap on the legacy calling option available at the top. Then scroll down and tap on the manage call history option available. And here you can see, you can view, manage and delete call history through Google Meet. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.